Hi, I'm Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to make meter cut connection between three profiles using Metal Fab SketchUp extension. So there is a built-in function to connect two profiles, and it's very easy and quick. When you would like to connect three profiles with the meter cut between them, you need to make the guides like on the screen. Next, you need to draw the triangle like that. Let's extrude this, move it a little bit down. Yeah, so we made that kind of shape. Let's delete this face. So then let's use the extrude and profile cut function. Let's extrude right profile, let's extrude left profile, and then let's extrude third one. So now we can delete this, and now we have connection between three parts like this. There is also a second way, quicker way. So when you draw edges and shapes for the connections, to create the connection, you can select all of this. You can use the draw from edges function with the extrude and cut function. So when you draw it like that, you will get all shape you needed with one button click. So we have now two connections with meter cut like that.